All right, y'all, got a quick one for you today. This is good news for my friends with warm season turf, but not bahia grass. So we're talking about St. Augustine centipede, zoysia, and Bermuda grass. Can't forget about Bermuda grass. Those lawn types, Celsius, which is my favorite summer weed control, now comes in small single-use packs that at the max rate are perfect for 2 gallons. I want to thank Bayer, whoever you are, environmental sciences or whatever, for listening to us and bringing us this small pack.
Not very sexy. Okay.
So what this is you put this pack in to 2 gallons of water, and now you can spray up to 2,000 square feet, or you can spot spray with it, and that's it. You don't have to buy the big bottle anymore. So with that, we're gonna mix some up, we're gonna spray it. I'll give you a little bit more information about this weed control, and then I'll show you the results after. Additionally, I'll have a full blog post that you can get in the link in the description below that goes into all the official particulars behind Celsius weed control and why I use it. Now you want to use the fan tip nozzle with this. This is going to create a finer droplet size, and we want this to stick to the leaves of the weeds. We want to get a good coating. There is no surfactant needed with this product. Just the fine droplets is all you need. Bro, that was a one-take wonder right there. Boom! I love it when that happens.